Look, the forklift was smoking. Go and have a look.
Don't splash with water.
Can't you see the smoke? I cooled him down.
You gotta kill the battery. Trust me and let me examine the cause. Unplug the power first. The battery temperature is too high, and the charger may not be compatible. The battery is short-circuited.
It's impossible. I got all the original chargers here.
Check the electrolyte again. The electrolyte is completely gone. Master Liu, it's been a while since you added water.
Didn't I try to make it easy? It feels like it charges faster without water.
During the use of lead-acid batteries, the only caveat is the need to add water. The battery is in use. Chemical reactions consume water.
That's just fine. This water is not good enough in.
This does not work. There are impurities in the water. It destroys the chemicals in the battery. It has to be pure water. Fill a bucket with liquid. Easy to add and even not overflow. It also affects the battery life. It was just before the power went off. Splashing water can cause the battery to short out or even die.
Well, there's no funnel in the factory.
Just use this squirt gun. Adjust the limit key first. Switch on. It stops automatically when it reaches the water level. You can put it all together in 10 minutes. It just works while it's charging.